How does sleep affect your face? Sleep deprivation. When adults aren't well rested, there is more at stake than just a day spent yawning and constantly feeling the need for an extra dose of caffeine. Sleep deprivation has serious, and, sometimes, long-term detrimental effects on the body and the mind. Setting aside mental side effects like delayed reaction times and poor memory for a moment, let's instead focus on how sleep deprivation affects your face, skin, and figure. Dark circles. Let's start with the obvious. Everybody knows that someone walking around with raccoon eyes probably didn't get enough sleep the night before. This darkening under the eyes occurs when blood vessels dilate, which is a direct result of lack of sleep. Bags under the eyes. Bags and dark circles often go hand in hand. However, they aren't exactly the same. Under-eye bags can't be caused by many things, not just sleep deprivation. They occur when the skin under the eyes sags or swells, often the result of excess fluid in the body. Red eyes. Eyes can become bloodshot from lack of sleep. Like the dark circles mentioned above, red eyes are caused by dilated blood vessels. Thinning hair. In this case, the hair loss is caused by telogen effluvium. Lack of sleep can result in increased cortisol levels, otherwise known as stress hormones, which is accompanied by baggage load of issues. The stress and exhaustion resulting from sleep deprivation can, over time, trigger telogen effluvium, causing diffuse hair loss across the scalp. Breaking out. If you are prone to bouts of acne, you are at greater risk of breaking out thanks to a poor night's sleep. Once again, the real culprit is stress, which can trigger breakouts at any age. Wrinkles and drooping. Sleep deprivation is often accompanied by reduced collagen, and, therefore, poor skin elasticity. This means more wrinkled and saggy skin that can result in a downturned or frowning expression. Weight gain. That's right, sleep deprivation does not stop with your face and hair. Several studies have demonstrated a correlation between weight gain and lack of sleep, including a 2014 study conducted by neuroscientists at Brigham and Women's Hospital. These researchers determined that those who got a full 8 hours of sleep burned twice as much fat as those who didn't get sufficient rest. This and other studies determined that lack of sleep increased hunger and decreased metabolic rates.